Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Felipe Rangel Mora. I am 31 years old. I am from Merengue. I live with my two brothers and I work at car shop.
What are your strengths?
I am very responsible person, friendly, hardworking person. I am respectful.
What are your weaknesses?
I am always late at work. I have trouble saying no. Sometimes I lack confidence.
What What is your biggest achievements in life?
It's to have my own company.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I wish to complete my bachelor degree and to have a house and my own company
Why do you want to leave your job?
because I want to get more experience and more knowledge.
Why do you want to work with us?
I am looking for a competitive offer that includes benefits and other kinds of compensations.
What are your salary expectations?
Well, I will expect a salary that is aligned with the level and responsibilities on the positions and my experience. What is the starting salary for position? Thank you very much.